To grow watermelon fruits that are large and sweet, you'll need to follow specific steps to optimize their growth and flavor. These varieties are known for their delicious flavor and generous size. If planting seeds, sow them 1 inch deep in hills or rows, spacing them 6 feet apart. Use drip irrigation or a soaker hose to water at the base of the plants, avoiding wetting the foliage. And side dress with additional fertilizer when the vines begin to run. Watermelons are heavy feeders, so regular fertilization is essential for healthy growth and fruit development. Pollination. Watermelon flowers require pollination to set fruit. Encourage pollination by attracting bees and other pollinators to your garden. Thanks for watching this videos.